Once you got your new filter, just come in here, open up your glove box. There's going to be this little piston lever right here. You just pinch and then pull this to disconnect it. Now it's free from here, but you got to reach inside and push in on this clip right here. So push it in on both sides, and then the whole glove box is free. And then you can let it fall down. And from here you can just remove it on both of the hinges. It's kind of a weird clip in here, but you can see right here, just squeeze that in and pull it out. Do that on both sides, and then this door drops down. Now you have access to your air filter right here. Pull that out. You can look and see how old the dirty one was. And look at both sides and you'll be able to tell which way the air flows. Air flows down, so all this dirt right here is because the air is flowing into it, and then this other side is clean. So if it's sitting like this with the air flowing this direction, pay attention to the arrows on your new filter. This one says airflow down, so that's the orientation that we want it. And then all you got to do is just slide it into place, and this catches kind of on this front lip right here, so push it up and under. Now it's in there nice and secure. Then just grab your little air filter door and stick it back in place. Put your glove box back onto the hinges. Then you just close it up, and now it's secure again. Come over here and pull this piston down. It's hydraulic. Clip it back into place. Then just close up your glove box. And that's all there is to it. If you notice, Subaru charges $77 to do that. No tools, takes less than 2 minutes.